Hi guys, welcome back to Think Tank Online Learning. In this video, I'm going to look on isometric drawing. So I just want to redraw this picture in isometric drawing. Okay, so what we need to do first, we're going to draw isometric box. After that, we're going to add some details. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I hope you do so. Just click on the subscribe button. Subscribing is very free. And after that, we're going to click on the notification bell and make sure that the bell is on so that you don't miss our next videos. If you're looking for other videos like this one, just go to the engineering drawing playlist. You're going to find a plenty of videos. We've covered a lot of topics: geometry, orthographic, isometric, assembly, and development. Okay, so what we need to do, we're going to first draw our reference line. So we're just going to draw a horizontal line, and in this case I'm going to use 4H for construction and HB for outlines. Okay, so we're going to first draw our isometric box. Okay, so here is going to be our isometric box. Okay, so now I need to add some details so that we can finish our box. What is the total length of our diagram? The total length is 60, and since we're using the scale 2:1, that's going to be 120. So we need to measure 120 here. And what is the width? So the width is 30, but also you have 8 there, so it's going to be 38, and 30 times 2, that's going to give us 76. So that means the total width is going to be 76. Okay, what about the height? So the height is going to be 35, and 35 times 2, that is going to be 70. Okay, and what we need to do, we need to divide this distance by 2 since we are going to use it later. So it's going to be 120 divided by 2, and that is going to be 60. And now we have everything we need about the isometric box. So I'm just going to project this point upward, and this one, I think I can just project it up to here. And we need to project our width. Okay, and now here is our height. Should make sure that all your pencils are very sharp so that you can obtain very smooth diagrams. Okay, so now let me finish drawing my isometric box. Okay, so here is my box. Okay, now that we have our box, what we're going to do, we need to measure distance of 8 from here. So it's 8, but since we're using the scale, we're going to multiply each and every coordinate by 2. So this is going to be 16 right here, and we're going to project it using 30-degree set square. So mostly in isometric drawing, we use 30-degree set square, and we're going to measure 16 again here. It should be 8, but we're going to measure 16 since we've doubled the scale. Okay, and after that we're going to measure 8 again, so it's going to be 16 here. Okay, after doing this, what you need to do, we need to project this line, okay, like this one. Okay, and after that we're going to measure 16 from this point. So 16 here, and 16 here. Okay, then we're going to join these 2 points using a ruler. Okay, okay, like this one, and we need to join these 2 points using a ruler again. And we're also going to join this point and this point using a ruler, and this one and this one using a ruler. Okay, after that we're going to take a set square. From this point we're going to project that line downward, come here, and we're going to project this line, and after that we're going to project this line. Okay, now I think it would be wise if I first outline so that you cannot get confused. Outlined our diagram. Now what we need to do, we're going to, since we've already measured half here, so we're going to project this line here, and after that we need to measure 15, and 15 times 2, that is going to be 30, and 30 is right here. After that we're going to take our set square and we're going to project this line horizontally, and that means that we have to draw a square that is sides of 10. Okay, so now that side is 10, so we're going to double it. Okay, so we need to measure 10 here, 10 here, okay, and after that we need to draw the square. Okay, like this one. Okay, so we're going to need this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, then the other thing that we need to do, we need to project this line downwards. Okay, so we're going to take our pencil. So this is going to be, okay, like this one. And we need to measure a height of 8 times 2, that is going to be 16, right here. Okay, like this one. And after that we're going to project this line up to here. Okay, and we're going to project this one like this, and this one like this. Okay, and now what else do we need to do? Okay, so we need to go to the center of this, and so we say it's 120 here, so 60 is right here, and I'm going to project this line downward like this. After that we're going to measure 11 on each side, so that is going to be 22 on each side, since we have doubled the scale right here and right here. And after that I need to project these lines downward, okay, like this one. And what do we need to do? We need to measure 12 from this base. Okay, so I'm going to measure 24. Okay, okay, after that we're going to measure. We have a distance of 10, so we're going to, we have a distance of 10, so that is going to be a distance of 20, so it's going to be 10, 10 on each side, 10 here and 10 here. After that, take your pencil and okay, and now what we need to do, we need to outline. So we're going to outline here, and we're going to outline here, and here. Okay, and now what we need to do, take a 30-degree set square, go to this point, and I'm going to project it along this way. And what is the thickness of this thing? It's 16, so also need to measure 16 from here to here. Okay, after measuring 16, take a set square, you project that point upwards and horizontally, and you're going to take your set square like this and like this and like this, and as you can see, we're done. This is the isometric diagram. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.